nazo zathela umfanekiso kaJehova. Ukuthanda izancinza kufana nokuthanda uNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. One thing about bantu back social media or abakhohlwa, and they will always remind you ngisho wena ungadenda ngazuthi sowukhohliwe. So bekune batch first yeGagasi FM, and obvious uMinintuli was there because uyini uyipresenter kuGagasi FM ahamba na Felix Hlophe. Uyafika nkosi yami uMinintuli uyakhuluma lapha estage kuqweleni leso sikhathi okuphuphuma. Wathi uyakhuluma ugel lapha estage bantu nje bavele bathi wuu. Bekuthi makukhuluma Minintuli bantu bavele bathi thumbs down wuu, bangafundela ukumuva ukuthi ufuna kuthini, and people are just allowing uFelix Hlophe ukuthi kukhulume yena yedwana, because makhuluma ugele people were saying wuu ukuthi abamfuni uwakathule nje angaba bangile isicefe. The reason why abantu benda sona kuMinintuli, it's because of uLondi London. It's because of what she did to uLondi London. So people are just saying ukuthi asikakhohlwa uyindlela wayenda ngakhona ugela amkhomba kuLondi London amdunusela owamtshela tindzaba takhe. People were just saying ukuthi ugele uyibhuli baze bamisa nalaphana kuGagasi FM, because people are just saying ukuthi ngeze seyilalele le radio station lena efukona Minintuli. Wahamba ke nasikhashana waphindze wabuya, but people were still complaining about her, basho ukuthi nje attitude yakhe iyabhetha bamfuni why bambuyiselile. So this time bayitholile opportunity bantu ukuthi bamtshele nje ukuthi wena ngeze sikulalele utokhuluma le ku radio station yena ugcine khona, but la kithi sikubona you can't bathi nje bantu awucommente wena lapho ambukele ekhaya ukuthi ucabangani ngalokubani bakwende kuMinintuli. Mina nawe sizohlangana next time. Goodbye.